Did you know that most lenders are a one size fit all? Cynthia, what do you mean by that? Let me explain. We're gonna say certain banks, right? Now we know when you go to a bank, you have to go along with their guidelines. See, it's not the rules because Freddie, Fannie, FHA, VA, they have the rules. And the rules are the standards, like 2 year banks, 2 year work history, 30-day bank statement, stuff like that. Those the rules. But the programs, the products is what is sellable to the customer. Now, most of those lenders, they only have, let's say, other than the FHA, the VA, and the conventional, they may or may not have a jumbo loan, right? They may or may not have down payment assistance programs. They may or may not have bank statement loan programs. But with a mortgage broker, we know that you are unique. We know that you do not fit in a cookie cutter. We know that you have special needs. And therefore, that's why mortgage brokers are approved with multiple lenders so that they can shop to get the mortgage that is best for your particular needs. Yes, you have to ask the expert. Ask the expert when you go and sit down and talk to a mortgage broker to see where you going, like what you want to do. Explain everything to them. Be 100% truthful because they're going to find out anyway. Explain your needs to them. Like, hey, I really, really want to own a house and I have bad credit. I need help with a down payment and I don't have that much for closing. Is there anything that you can do for me? Or a customer could be like, I have really good credit, but I don't have an idea what I want to do. I have the money to put down, but I don't know if I want a multi-investment or single family residence. And after you explain the criteria of how they both function and how they work, then your borrowers could get a better idea. And so as a mortgage broker, we have multiple lenders, again, that we can shop with to see that, to make sure that we are getting the best for our customers, getting the best for our clients' needs. So always choose a mortgage broker. Always, because I'm one. And one of the great things with choosing a mortgage broker, such as myself, I have been a senior processor. I was traveling around the United States doing mortgage loan. I loved it. Another thing, I started out in sales. Oh my Lord, that was so much fun. That was my first of just doing mortgage and finding my great love for it. I have also been an underwriting, but as a contract underwriter, I didn't do FHA or anything like that. But I am now in the broker side, the wholesale side. I used to be in the retail side, like with PNC, Wells Fargo, Bank of America. You all may not remember Washington Mutual because I was with them too. I'm traveling doing mortgage loans, and those are what we will call retail lenders. And the retail lenders, I could say from experience, they have like only a certain amount, a certain box that they could put you in, versus a wholesale lender, which is a mortgage broker. They don't have a box to put you in because they have multiple lenders that they are approved with, that they can go to say, hey, I got this client, this, and this, and that. And then the wonderful thing about that, we have the most amazing reps. Yes, we do. Lord, I love my reps. I love them. And we could run past scenarios with our reps to see what we can do. And if they don't have the answer, they always can refer us to another company or to someone that may have it. But the great thing about it is we have multiple lenders that we are approved with. And sometimes we could have just one lender that does so much, like bank statement loans, ITIN loans, self-employment loans, gig workers only. And a lot of times traditional banks, they do not have that capacity to do what we would call not a specialty loan but a unique loan. So always consider a mortgage broker when you are looking to do a mortgage loan. Again, when you looking to get pre-approved for a house that you want to buy, whether a single family or a multi-unit, always, you don't have to run no credit. You don't have to put in an application. Just speak with a mortgage broker and run your needs and your desire by them to see if you all could brainstorm together. I guarantee you they are great listeners and they know how to solve your problem without sticking you within a box of a cookie cutter. Well, at least they should. And if they don't, go find another one, because there's multiple mortgage brokers in every state. But I'm in Arizona, so I hope you call and choose me. Have an amazing day.